So how I turn $5,000 into $2.6 million in 1 year? Guys, you need time the uptrend move. Okay, let me give you this example here. This coin here, you need time the uptrend move, guys, because those coins they are pumping up and down every single day. Oh, this simple example here. Apologize for my mess. Here, this coin pump, guys. Take a look this. This coin pump from 1 cent up to here. Up, let's put it up to here, 40 cents, guys. This coin pump 3,000%, guys. 3,000%. 3,000% on the single trade, guys. I made $300,000. I put $10,000 here, and I mentioned to my members on my channel, buy and hold. This is a promise coin. Okay, so this coin pump 3,000 coins. So how you do that? How I turn $5,000 into 2.6 million in 1 year? You need time the move, guys. Okay, I developed this software to time the cryptocurrency move. Take a look this. We have here right now. If you go to coin market cap, we talk about almost 10,000 coins. Go all the way down. See, 9,000 coins I have in coin market cap. That makes things bigger. So there is a coins going up and down every single day, every single time, every single day, every single time. What you got to do is you have to trade the right coin, the right coin. So many coins. Which coin you gonna change? Which coin you gonna trade? You need the right coin. Which coin is the right coin? The coin is running with high volume. Okay, so scalp trade up. So in order to do that, guys, like I mentioned, every single day you need time the move. When the volume is getting the market, that's how you make money. Let's go to one daily chart here. Here, look how insane is this profit. The coin pump from 0.007, guys, up to 40 cents, guys. 5,000%. 5,000%. That's how you make money. You need the right coin. That's what I provide to my members. I track the market and I provide to my members the right coin to trade on the right time. That's what we do. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com if you like to get those trades in real time. What you do here, guys? We buy low and sell up high. We buy here and sell here. Okay. Another coin I provide gave a huge returns, guys. VIOT. At this single trade, guys, this single stupid trade, look how much money you make. You can make more money than a doctor doing this. Look, 1,000%, guys. I made $100,000 this single trade. I put $10,000 here. Every trade I put $10,000. You can trade with $300. You can trade with $100. The idea is to make money. So, pump. Private list. That's the private list I shared yesterday, but talk about specific about this coin. I just spoke about VIOT. Let me give you another example. Metaplex here. Metaplex. You can find this coin on KuCoin. Boom, right here. Take a look how much this coin pump. This is insane, man. This coin pump from 5 cents up to 46 cents, guys. 750%. Insane returns, guys. But take a look this. This is a quick example here. You see this candle right here? It's a volume spike, guys. People don't pay attention when the volume comes in the market. That's what we track in 24/7. Volume spike. Volume spike is the deal, guys. So I shared this trade in the private list. Members bought this coin. Look how much money they made. 700%. This is insane return. That's what you need, guys. Volume spike right here plus buyer power. Volume spike, buyer power. Let's check why Conflux is spiking. CFX, crypto at Binance right there. Volume spike, guys. Look how much this volume spike. Just to have idea here. Pay attention to this number. Volume spike on the last day. Volume spike the volume was 8.4 million. Today the volume spike $116 million, guys. You have to pay attention to this coin. But it doesn't mean the volume spike. That doesn't mean we will trade this coin. It doesn't mean nothing. We need a buyer power. Buyer power. How I collect buyer power, guys? Let me give you a quick example here. Binance.com. Let's go. Open. Close. Go to market. Apologize. Exchange. Boom. Trade, guys, is the fight between buyers and sellers. Okay, this is the buyer, this is the sellers, this is the buyers. We need to make sure there is more money on the buyer side. Let me give a better example here. Bitfinex. Bitfinex.com. View demo. So trade, guys, is the fight. This is the fight. You see these two waves here? They keep moving. Those waves are moving, right? A little bigger here. Boom. Those waves are moving. There is a buyers versus sellers. There is a fight here. We jump in coins when the buyer wave is way bigger than the seller waves. That means there's a buyer pressure. With buyer pressure and the volume is already in the market, we just jump in the coin because it's gonna the price is gonna pump automatic. Okay, so volume spike plus buyer power. That is the reason my software just picked this volume spike here. Look how much the volume spike, 540%. It's huge return, guys. Huge return. Here, another trader ranking down. The symbol is ranker. Oh, boom. You can trade this coin, cool coin, right here. Boom. Take a look at this. This is insane pump, guys. Let's go to 1 hour chart so you can have more idea what's going on. Ó, this coin pump, guys, from 0.003 cents up to 0.03 cents, 1000%, guys. 1000%. On the single trade, you could make $100,000. So how I turn $5,000 into 2.6 million? I developed this software to track the move, guys. I print screen my monitor and share in the private list. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Why I share this trade in the private list? Because more people buying the same coin at the same time, what's gonna happen? We will have more volume. We are looking for volume. We are coin trackers. We are coin hunters. Okay? MPLX. Metaplex. Let's go. Boom. Metaplex. Take a look at this, guys. Ó, I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago on 22. We bought this coin 22, 0.04. The coin pump up to 48 cents. This coin pump almost 1000%. But let me show you right here. What's going on here? Look, the volume spike on December 17. Look, volume. 1 hour before, the volume was 750. Spike for 1.3 million. That's something is going on here. There is a buyer pressure. Look, I shared this trade in the private list. So TradeCrypto members bought this coin, make a huge return, guys. That's what I do here in this channel. Okay? Feel free to reach me out, TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Let's trade together, guys. Together we are strong. I'm telling you, together we are strong. Everybody's gonna win. That is a game where everybody wins. Nobody loses because we jump in and jump out before the market finds this coin. Look how many pumps you got here. Oh, Heaven Protocol, 48%, Gov, 60%, Gary Network. Take a look at this. Let's pay attention, Gary. Copy, boom, paste, US dollar right there. Guys, take a look how much this coin pump. Right here, from 2 cents up to 6 cents, 115%, guys. Insane returns. That's a 100%, guys. Where are you gonna trade stocks and make this much money? You know, another coin, typical example. Look, Hypergynes. Let me copy this. Hypergynes, guys. So what I do, guys, I share my trades in the private list. TradeCrypto members buy here. Let's go. It's already spiking from 5 cents up to 1 cent. The coin is still tracking, guys. One more coin here. Another example here. So the software is track the market 24/7. That's the only way you can beat this market, guys. 95% of the traders, they lose money because they don't know how to trade coins. They have no clue. They go FOMO. They go like they're gonna buy because the price is going up. No, you stupid dumbass. You have to buy before the price spike. Before, okay? Via T. You buy before. You don't buy when the price is here. Only dummies buy when the price is here. We buy here. That's the whole point. Oh, the price was going down, down, down. You see, no volume here. No volume. Out of the blue, take a look at the volume. Spiking. Boom, boom. What happened with the price? From this day here. Oh. All the way up, man. Huge returns, guys. Huge returns. Let's join this family, TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. My name is Daniel. I live in South Beach, Miami. Anytime, anywhere, you can trade this, man. Trade Crypto Time. This is a worldwide, man. This is a worldwide. Thanks, bye.